Greetings, my students. Professor Piggy here. Today we are studying Identity and Access Management. This topic is critical for the Security Plus exam. Identity and Access Management controls who can access a system and what they are allowed to do. If you misunderstand this process, you will design insecure systems. Listen carefully. Let us begin. Imagine an exclusive nightclub in town. It is called the Golden Acorn Club. There is a large bulldog standing at the door. He is the bouncer. A wolf walks up to the entrance. He is wearing a fake pink nose and a curly tail. The wolf looks at the bouncer and says, "Hello, I am Professor Piggy." This is identification. Identification is a claim. The wolf is claiming an identity. In digital systems, this is a username or an email address. Anyone can make a claim, even a wolf. Identification alone proves nothing. Now comes authentication. The bouncer looks at the wolf and says, "Prove it." The bouncer asks for the secret oink. The wolf tries to respond. Instead of an oink, he growls. Authentication fails. Access is denied. Now I walk up to the door. I say, "I am Professor Piggy." This is identification. The bouncer responds, "Prove it." I perform the correct secret oink. This is authentication. Authentication verifies identity. Remember this for the exam. Identification is the claim. Authentication is the proof. Without successful authentication, access is denied. After identification, systems follow the AAA framework. The first A is authentication. Authentication verifies credentials and confirms identity. Once identity is verified, the system moves to authorization. Authorization determines what actions are allowed. Verification does not mean full access. I attempt to enter the VIP kitchen. The chef stops me. He checks the access list and denies entry. I am not authorized for the kitchen. Authorization controls permissions. In operating systems, permissions include read access, write access, and delete access. Authentication answers who you are. Authorization answers what you can do. The final A is accounting. Accounting records activity. Systems log actions to create an audit trail. For example, Professor Piggy accessed the truffle room at 9 p.m. Accounting answers 3 questions: who acted, what they did, and when it happened. Accounting is critical for incident investigation and non-repudiation. Now pay attention. Authentication is not limited to people. Servers authenticate. Applications authenticate. Services authenticate. Devices authenticate. When you visit a secure website, the server presents a digital certificate. Your browser validates that certificate. This is the server proving its identity. This process is authentication. Now let us recap for the Security Plus exam. Identification. This is who I claim to be, a username or an email address. Authentication. This proves I am who I claim to be. Passwords, certificates, biometrics, multi-factor authentication. Authorization. This defines what actions are allowed, permissions and access rights. Accounting. This records activity, logs and audit trails. If an attacker steals your credentials and passes authentication, the attacker becomes you. Protect your credentials carefully. This is Professor Piggy, keeping the wolves out and the systems secure. Class dismissed.